Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie, and today's video I'm very happy to participate in another challenge where several amazing YouTubers flippers participate too. Hosting by Clara at Now I Can Do. Thank you Clara for hosting Dupe challenge. My inspiration for my dupe is from One King Line Furniture. A while ago I searched for a cabinet for myself and I found this cabinet. I'm in love, but $3,000 is a way over my budget. I'm start to look for a cabinet I can do the dupe. And now I found the perfect cabinet for do the dupe and the perfect fix on this challenge. Let's go to outside, do the paperwork. Let's go to start. I got this nightstand cabinet on my local thrift store for $7. Solid wood. Need you a little bit love. Have some water damage, some scratch. Part is solid wood. Let's go to start. It's time to cleaning. Now everything's sundown and cleaning. I'm going to put that inside with the Minwax. Remove these little fits. And I'm going to create another foot fits for this. And I'm going to remove the top. The top off is more easy for my work. I'm going to hide 3 inches foot. I have my 4 feet. Now I'm go. So make sure it's on the same spot. outside my cabinet, I'm going to cleaning with mineral spirits. This helps to my stain moves around. Now I'm going to apply my stain. I use gel stain on chestnut color, as I have this in hand leftovers and I really like this color. I'm going to apply with a cheap brush and wipe off with a rock. Have my cabinet taped for start my designer. I make these triangles for my legs. I'm going to use this stencil. I'm going to protect my cabinet with wipe on poly. Put the top back on it. have with my Dupe. Very close to the original one. I spent in the table $7, on stencils $52, on foods $5, paint spray, sandpaper and all the top coat around $25 and 3 hours. I know for my hours in just in material I spent $89. The dupe comes out so very well compared to the original. The original $2,995. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon next week on Thursday.